everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know that my bag reviews are always a hit, and I did treat myself to an early Christmas present. My favorite designer of all time for so many reasons is Givenchy, and today I saw on their Instagram that they came out with this brand new backpack, and it's a convertible backpack that can be turned into a tote. It looks amazing, and I think the best thing about it is that it's made out of faux leather instead of real leather. I think what the lady said is that it is a rubberized canvas, so it's not leather, no animals were harmed in the process of making this backpack, which makes me super happy. Unfortunately, the pricing is still in the same range of a typical Givenchy bag, but they also said that the quality has not been compromised. So the sun is coming out behind me in the background, and it's making me look super, super pale. I'm not this pale, I promise. It's the lighting. Anyways, here is my brand new Givenchy backpack, and I'm going to be unboxing it for the first time with you guys. They didn't have any boxes at the store, so there's no box. They just gave it to me in a dust bag, but they did give me this gigantic bag that I feel like I could fit into. So here's the backpack. It's inside this dust bag right here. There's plenty of room. It is considered a tote bag as well. So right now it's in tote mode. You can see that this is how it would be as a tote bag. And then on the back you have the backpack straps. And I guess you can just carry it around like this, or you can take these straps off. These are completely removable. I love that it's a quilted faux leather. You can see the Givenchy logo right here in the middle. And it also has it on this clasp right here. And if you turn it around, you can see that the main logo is right here in the middle of the zipper pouch. So the inside of the bag is zippered, which is like the best part because everything is secure. That was one thing I was concerned about when I saw it at first, because it looked like it just clamped like right here in the front. And then everything else was kind of like not secure right here, you know what I mean? But luckily it zippers and nothing can fall out. So once you unzip the bag, inside we have all of the stuffing. And the inside is canvas. It kind of reminds me of the inside of a Burberry bag. And over here you have one pocket right here. It feels like leather. I don't know if this is faux leather as well, but you can organize stuff in here. It's not zippered, but if you do need a zippered pocket, it's right here. And of course, everything zippers at the top. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to convert this backpack into a real tote bag and take these straps off, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me okay since I'm way back here. But what I did is I removed the entire back strap from the backpack area, and I actually converted the strap into kind of like a shoulder strap so that I can wear it over my shoulder or as a crossbody, and it kind of like has like a nice, like more comfortable vibe if I'm tired of the backpack wear. It just turns into like a total tote bag, which is amazing. And of course, if I want to wear it over my shoulder, I can also do it this way, but that's definitely not as comfortable. So I'd probably hold it like this or wear it as a backpack, or of course convert the back strap into a tote bag. So here's what the backpack looks like on, and the material is actually super, super lightweight. One thing that I was like super concerned about is getting the white bag, because if you know me, I'm super clumsy. I travel a lot, like I would probably use this for travel, and I was really, really concerned about it getting dirty. But luckily, since Givenchy has like the best customer service in the world, they said that it has a 2-year warranty and they do free cleaning for 2 years. So if anything happens to this bag, if there's any kind of like color transfer, they would literally remove it at no cost, courtesy of Givenchy, which is amazing. And then afterwards they would give you the contact information for where they get it cleaned, so that if I still need to get it cleaned years later, I can do that. So here are a couple detail shots of the bag, just in case you want to get a closer look of the brand new Duo backpack. So this was my unboxing of my brand new Givenchy backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that there's still about a week left to enter my holiday giveaway, where I'm giving away over $700 in bougie makeup, so you're gonna love it. So go ahead and click the link down below if you want to learn more about that. And if you want to see more bag reviews, go ahead and check out my description box. I'll link all of my bag reviews down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.